Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Samsung Galaxy from Smart Switch Backup. Full guide step by step clearly. Start your Samsung Galaxy device. Unlock your home screen. Locate and open the Samsung Smart Switch app. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app opens, select the Restore option. Choose the device's backup source. Select Local Backup if the backup is stored on your device. If the backup is on a computer, select Computer and connect your device via USB. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure connection between your Galaxy and the computer. Locate the backup file you want to use. Select the appropriate backup file. Choose the data types you wish to restore, like apps, messages, or contacts. Confirm your selections. Tap Restore to begin the process. Wait for the restoration to complete. Ensure your device remains connected and charged during the process. Once finished, your device may restart automatically. After the restart, check if any issues arise. You can repeat the process or consult Samsung support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.